Discuss about the laws of chemical combination. Laws of chemical combination. First law of chemical combination is your law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. It is also called law of indestructibility, laws of indestructibility of matter, other name. Then what is the statement of laws of conservation of mass? Statement. According to this law, in a chemical or physical change or reaction, the mass of a substance neither created or nor destroyed, or we can write on also other statement. In chemical and physical change, the total mass remain constant. Let me discuss the law of conservation of mass by an example. We can discuss about the law of conservation of mass. Suppose take an experimental data. 100 grams of mercuric oxide. Experimentally, it is seen that when 100 grams of mercury oxide is subjected to reaction, that means subjected to heating, then it gives a mercury and oxygen. And experimentally it is seen that the amount of mercury is 92.6 gram and the amount of oxygen is 7.4 gram. This is the experimental data. Now let me discuss about how this reaction obey the law of conservation of mass. Here, if you want to find out the weight of reactant means how much? 100 gram, because here only one reactant is present, that is your mercury oxide, that is said to be 100 gram. Next, if you want to find out weight of products, there are two products, one is your mercury, another is your oxygen. So we can write 92.6 gram plus 7.4 gram. That also, if you want to add, that it also give 100 gram. That means in this reaction, we find out that weight of reactant equal to weight of product. In law of conservation mass, there is no loss of mass. The mass remain constant. So we can write, therefore, the law of conservation of mass is verified. Let me discuss about the problem related to law of conservation mass. Law of conservation of mass. Suppose a problem will ask. Suppose take an problem 1. Suppose take only problem number 1. What mass of sodium chloride would be decomposed by 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid sulfuric acid if 12 gram of sodium bisulfate and 2.75 gram of hydrogen chloride were produced in a reaction assuming that the law of conservation of mass is true. That is your problem. That means this reaction obeys the law of conservation of mass. Now let me solve the problem solution. Here the reaction is what? NaCl plus H2SO4 gives what? NaHSO4 plus what is your then your HCl. In this problem the data is given H2SO4, the amount of H2SO4 is your 9.8 gram, amount of NHSO4 is your 12 gram, and amount of HCl is your 2.75 gram. Here the data is given, and our aim to find out the amount of NaCl. Suppose take this is your X gram. We know that since this reaction obeys the law of conservation of mass, so we can write the weight of product equal to, or we can write weight of reactant equal to weight of product. Here the reactants are what? NaCl and H2SO4. So we can write X plus 9.8 gram equal to 12 gram plus 2.75 gram. So if you want to find out X, then what will be in the find out? That is your 4.95 gram. This is your answer. So we can write the mass of sodium chloride. Mass of sodium chloride is your 4.95 gram. Similarly, if you want to solve another problem number 2. Take the problem number 2. Suppose take a second problem related to the law of conservation of mass. Suppose when 16 gram of methane react with chlorine, then what happens? 40.5 gram of methyl chloride and 36.5 gram of HCl form. This is your given data. Then what is your aim? How much chlorine was used? How much chlorine was used? This is your question. And if this equation obey the law of conservation of mass, assuming that the reaction obey law of conservation of mass. Then how can you solve? Suppose find out the solution. What is the reaction related here? your methane. What is the formula of methane? CH4. React with what? Chlorine. Cl2 gives what? Methyl chloride is your CH3Cl plus HCl. What is your question? What amount of chlorine? It means suppose take this is your x gram. Methane is your 16 gram. Next is your methyl chloride is your how much? Methyl chloride is your 40.5 gram. 40.5 gram. And HCl is your 36.5 gram. So we can find out X is equal to 40.5 plus 36.5 minus 16. As a result, we can find out what is the value of X. X is equal to your 61 gram. This is the second problem. If you think about some points related about the law of conservation of mass, we can remember some important points. First point, this law can be valid when the reaction is 100% complete. So we can write two points for a complete reaction. For a complete reaction, we can write weight of reactant equal to weight of product. But for an incomplete reaction, we cannot write this. For an incomplete reaction, we can write weight of the reactant equal to how? Is equal to weight of product plus weight of unreacted reactant plus weight of reactant is equal to weight of product plus weight of unreacted reactant. And remember the third point, law of conservation of mass must be satisfied by all chemical reaction. That means all chemical reaction obey law of conservation of mass. That is all about your law of conservation mass and its explanation and its some problem.